It brings it.
Hello Smartz, my name is Sophia and welcome to our YouTube channel where we speak about all the latest news and events of our project. There have been significant updates on our platform and they are mainly related to the EOS blockchain. We have added EOS to the list of blockchains and now it is possible to deploy smart contracts on EOS through the platform. The first type of smart contracts that you can deploy on EOS is the token contract. Deployment of a contract on EOS is carried out using the Scatter extension. However, since the EOS network has not yet been launched, the functioning of the contract is only possible in testnet. For better understanding of the Scatter extension features, we wrote an instruction. Please find it in the description. We also added the ability to log into the platform via the Scatter extension, as it was implemented via MetaMask. We interviewed the CEO of Smartz, Yuriy Vasilchikov, and asked him about interesting details of the foundation and development plans for the future. Our cameraman finally made a video report about our trip to Hong Kong to the EOS Hackathon. 7 minutes of wonderful shots of the great city and remarkable participants. So follow the links in the description and enjoy! We continue the series of our educational videos. Last Thursday, our head of the research, Sergey Prilutsky, spoke about the consensus of the algorithm in blockchain. You can find the link to the video in the description. Also, you will probably be interested in our new articles on the scope of smart contracts in real estate. And another article about where the blockchain is not needed at all. Several crypto media such as Ethereum World News, Bitcoin Exchange Guide and Dippy wrote articles about us. Please find the links in the description. This is it. Hope you enjoyed our video. For more videos, subscribe and be smart.